So here I'm generating HTML in a build step that actually uses babashka, and that is quite satisfying. Boom, right? That's all you need to build some HTML. Now I have here an HTML file, and yeah, I should be able to go here. Hi. Okay. Cool. So yeah, now of course you could do this. Maybe I should I. I was thinking about making a watch band. I can also simply evaluate this file. Side not connected. Yeah, of course I check in, and I check in with Clojure, because Clojure is better REPL support than babashka. Even though in my build I use babashka to run the script, but of course it also runs in Clojure. That is, look at deps edn, it pulls in all the babashka deps, so it's exactly the same as this link, like this maybe. It's kind of cool. Okay, so this should already have worked now. So yeah, CSS UI. There you go. I don't think this actually generated what I needed, or what I thought it would generate. So I have here HTML, pages, documentaries, shadow CSS. CSS. I mean, this was wrong here, but this doesn't matter. Okay, evaluating this does something. I'm gonna build. Yeah, I'm gonna try this again. Maybe this here is wrong or something. I shouldn't say UI. Yeah, this is what it says, UI.css. And basically, I wanted it to output a CSS class called this now, but it doesn't. Okay, this is the state after it ran, I guess. So this already looks good. And it says here that there's a CSS. Okay. This looks correct. And alias groups. Alias here. There's a huge form pre-flight source. Okay, colors, chunks, UI. Chunks, UI, namespaces, entries. Maybe I need to entries. I'm gonna try to delete this. No, this doesn't work yet. I'm gonna read through this thing a second time again. Custom CSS includes shadow CSS, mini CSS for Clojure CSS. Yeah, I also like Tailwind. Basically, you have like a composable sort of language for making your CSS. Okay, so the CSS macro, I would think that I do this correctly. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I do this correct. Yeah, so this macro, at first glance, you think what is this doing, but it returns a CSS class name that will later then point to an actual CSS class that we are generating. So it's all good. Here's some things about how to name. That you give names to the CSS classes. Yeah, CSS syntax is kind of like a tailwind inspired thing. And you can also output CSS properties directly, like this kind of cute. And okay, so here, this is the description. Vectors, subselectors can use pseudo elements, nested elements, or media queries. Hover in the above maps to ampersand hover, which in the final CSS would be my. Okay, so it outputs a class. So you can write a vector hover and then sub thing, like then you can say color green or something again, something. And these are aliases. Yeah, either way. Dynamic uses, skip this. Custom includes, shadow includes CSS, where you write some old school manual CSS included in the output. Building CSS is a Clojure function, which is fine. Build namespace is not needed at runtime. You put it into a dev source. Okay, entries, my app. I'm still confused. Where does he say what this is? Does he have an example? I'm sure there's an example somewhere. Here, here's a namespace, my app. But I don't need to list my namespaces, I think. Do I? Chunks, UI, chunk ID. It outputted some CSS. Wait, why do I think it didn't work? One sec. Let's not minify and do this again. As there's a bunch of CSS. And then, of course, the interesting thing would be that this class is there, but it's not. Okay, so this somehow didn't work. Something is missing here. This is the namespace. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna try. But I'm confused that I would need to list my namespaces here or something. I don't get that. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Why do I need to list the namespaces? I wonder. It's probably an error. Okay. The build state in this context is entries. Entries only takes full namespace names, not wildcards. Cool. He anticipated my thing that I wanted to. Yeah, so this is. I was really confused about this entries, chunks, generate entries, blah blah. That was not obvious for me from the documentation. There was. What is this string ns contains visited? So this is all the namespaces somehow. Get namespace, visited namespaces. Why do I need to list the namespaces? I'm confused. Collect namespaces for chunk. Can I not say, don't do that? Generate build state chunk. Chunk is also a Clojure core function. Didn't know that. Yeah, chunk. It makes a chunk out of a chunk buffer. Chunk ID contains depends on. Whoa. Assyrian chunk ID chunk. Some chunk. Yeah, I don't understand from this how I can not enumerate my namespaces, but yeah. I guess I'm just gonna enumerate my namespaces at the moment. Maybe it's also kind of, yeah, this way. I guess you understand what is happening. I thought that if I say the index path in this, and yeah, it would just be fine. But here I'm confused as well. Wait, so the chunks are used here somewhere, of course. Here reduce, also reduce each chunk. Also chunk ID depends on base. Also if it doesn't depend on anything, then it's a base. Chunk. So this is a chunk, and then build state chunk. I need a chunk. I need a chunk. And here I say entries. Entries. These are the entries of the chunk. That's the thing that I specify as user. This is a chunk. This is an entry visited string. So namespace. What I'm saying, NS. Okay. Entries should be a list of namespaces. If somebody tries to do a wildcard, this is this error. Namespaces. Okay, I need to say the namespaces. Just there's no functionality here that doesn't say that. Namespaces. Yeah, the whole build state has namespaces, I guess. Okay. I think I need this, yeah. I think I need to say this. I wonder, no, this also doesn't work, I think. Yeah, this also doesn't work, I think. No, this does work. It was just, I didn't understand this about this. But this works. So if I delete this file, and now I build UI, okay, never mind. Okay, I need to say my namespaces. Okay, if I delete the file now, then I build, there's this file, and it has this class. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is basically I'll say here that I use a style sheet, and it's so here's my index. So this would be CSS UI. I'm not sure if I need this. Let's see. Yes, okay, so there should be something that is green with some padding. It also has flex. It has a shadow, yeah, and yeah, it should have a green font. Okay, so I generate this here, and then I say bb surf local. Okay, surf here, and now I go to documentaries. .html. There's a green blah blah thing. Yeah, boys and girls. Okay, so that's the setup for shadow CSS. Now, in order for this to, do I need Clojure to build this, or can I build this with babashka? Can I? I'm just gonna try. So here, we'll just throw something like that, some Java. So babashka doesn't even do this. Okay, whatever. But I guess there's a way to. So I am gonna quickly try. But I still need to say alias though. How do I say that? Like this? I don't think so. Can I not say alias? Exec main, call the main function from something. How do I say alias to babashka? Doesn't it work like that? No, I'm not gonna bother with this for just for the moment. I'm gonna say here's another task called build CSS, and that's gonna be Clojure, and then what I had here. I think this just works. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna do is delete this file, and now I'll see if it works. bb build CSS. Okay. Yeah, this is the Clojure startup. Takes a little bit. Okay, but this works. Okay. So yeah, it would be a really nice improvement if I could run this with babashka. Yeah, that would be amazing. But right now I don't even know how to make alias in babashka tab. Babashka address, babashka devs address, aliases. It's like conversation. Devs and provide aliases. What? Add devs. Oh. I can call add devs. I can do that. Add devs. This is a function. Couldn't resolve add devs. Okay, I don't get how it works. Wait, I need to. Ah, babashka devs add devs. Okay, is this already? Ah, okay. Say this and now. Wait, not babashka edn, but devs edn. Wait, dev alias is extra pass. I don't even care about. I don't even care. Whatever. Okay, wait, this should. Actually, this does work, I guess. Okay, wait, let's try to. Let's try to load this namespace. Does work like that? I'm not entirely sure. Wait, that's not how namespaces work. Require. This work like that? Yeah. This worked. Okay, I think this means it works. Dev build. CSS release. Wow, yeah. Nice. Okay, let's confirm that this works. Delete UI, CSS, and then this. Yeah, boys and girls. I can build the CSS with babashka. This is so good. Okay, so here. Wait, this task. I'm just gonna. I know this is not how you do it, but I mean, there's a syntax for require or something that I forget right now, so I'm not gonna bother. Yeah, this should work. So I'm gonna quit this REPL. Oh, quit it. Okay, babashka build CSS, right? There's an error. Okay, what is that? Couldn't resolve this. What? Didn't I just say require? It needs to. One sec. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna figure out. Okay, wait. Google babashka require task or something. Yeah, babashka book. That's what I need. Task runner. Requires. Requires. Yeah, this. Give me this. There's no copy button here. What? It would be great to have though. Okay, something like this. Okay, and then. I'm sure that there's also a way to just say, yeah, invoke this function or something, because it's this. But yeah, task. Oh wait, requires. So yeah, I'm sure that that works like that. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm sure it is. So this is. I don't know if you realize this, but the form here, the list here, this is kind of like the body of a function. This is basically the same thing. It's kind of like a way to. With a way to say there exists a function with this body. It requires this. Okay, let's see if this works. Yeah. Oh, let's check this. Oh, I don't know how to. I'm building my CSS very, very fast. Yeah. Okay, now for the to be complete or something, I'm gonna make this red. Yeah, then I build. And now I'm gonna in a complete way. Yeah, it's red. Yeah. So this is quite cool because it's almost instant. Actually, like what I could do is say this, right? Every 2 seconds, whatever. This just works, right? Like I don't even need to do the file watchers thing. So if I say, okay, wait. So I have this thing open. Yeah, I'm gonna change this. It takes a little bit. So I also need to reload, of course. Yeah, I guess I need to reload sometimes. Yeah. Yeah, you basically don't see that. I don't see that on my screen. Now I see it. Like this, I see it. Either way. the thing is that now I'm gonna make a commit with what I have at the moment. It's links to my stuff, and move these files. I just make commits called current. I just don't give a shit about commit messages for my personal things. So shadow-css, he's also talking about how he's making here a watch, and I'm gonna do exactly the same thing as well. Yeah, I already copied this. Let's copy it again to be sure. Yeah, I think this is what we call def REPL. Build, right? This works. Okay. Shadow watch your build. This is optional if shadow cljs. No, I don't have shadow cljs. I don't have shadow cljs at all. Shadow requires. So what is this? Ah, that's interesting. You can put metadata on a function for it, and Shadow looks at this and says this function. I'm not entirely sure what is. Probably a Clojure process that runs this or something. Okay, I leave this. Okay, so here's the interesting part, that there's a file watch, and that goes. I'm gonna copy here my path. Yes, and then these kinds of files, and then build. It's called def build. Now, yeah. Okay, so does this print anything? Let's say I'm here and I change the color again to red. It doesn't print anything. Okay. Oh, it really worked. But this is quickly. Quickly clean up here. Also, I still had this BB watch running here. Okay, I think this means, yeah, nothing is running. Now I change this to green. Yeah, okay, nice. Cool. Now I have the complete setup. I'm gonna make a babashka task, serve local as CSS watch. Yeah, like this. This probably works correct. Oh, this you can also run in babashka, but it doesn't matter that much because it's only for development. I mean, this thing I need to run at build time, right? So there I really want this to be fast, but here it's not so important. Ah, yeah, does this run with babashka CSS watch? Ah, no, okay. You will need to add these to babashka, but it's not so important. Instead, I'm gonna say here Clojure diff. Yeah, I think this works like that. Okay, so if I say now babashka watch, it's gonna run Clojure. Ah, it's already doing it. Then error. So I'm passing something. I'm gonna call this watch CSS. Just like that. And then here babashka watch CSS. Okay, no, you could run a separate process that is doing that, or you run a REPL and wait, I also need to say that this never stops. Oh wait, deref future. Wait, I need to say something like this, I think. Yeah, okay, no, it. Maybe I'm gonna say I wonder if I can make this verbose. Here. Refresh CSS or something. Okay, no, it's like super verbose or something. started watch CSS. Yeah, and now, for example, I go here and say yellow again, refresh CSS, so I get this feedback. But it doesn't matter right now because I have it running in my Clojure REPL here anyway, so I don't need this at the moment, but yeah, I have built it now. So in the future I can say bb CSS watch and then I have a CSS watch. Okay. Cool. This works very nicely. I think this is cool. So now I can proceed with writing my website. So let's write some browser front-end code. Does this work like that? And then, oh wait, background black. It's not how background black works, I guess. I mean, I can also. Can I do this? No. There's some error, you know. Background color. That sounds good to me. But what doesn't work? I need to also. I understand. Okay, I understand. I think what happened is that when I change the line here, then of course this class name is not correct anymore. So I also need to load this file so that I generate the HTML. So yeah. And now, wait, height full, width full. I think this didn't. Oh no, this worked. Yeah, here with height. Yeah. Okay. Just, I guess I'm confused about this part or something. How do I say? How do I make this complete? Hey, what is a height full? Not like this. Ah, well, yeah, this was not the problem. Ah, okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, then maybe I'm gonna make. What's it supposed to look? I imagine basically making like cards, and then I have maybe one big. So this is the title area. Where maybe I have like a title here. So I'm gonna make. Then I wonder if this is. A sec. When I look in shadow. Ah, yeah, of course this. Maybe I have this file open for reference. Okay, and then I mean, yeah. Oh, if you do kind of tailwind things, then yeah, font bold and text text bigger, and this is his history documentaries. No, I don't know. I just call this documentaries. I'm not sure. Reload and something doesn't work. Ah, this is wrong. I wanted this to be. I need to say color white. I see what the default was. Sure. I'm gonna just put this here, whatever. I don't know, let's see what happens. As far as I can see, everything is fine. Okay, documentaries. Yeah, it's really big. So I'm zoomed in. Okay. And then, wait, can I not? I want a different font. Sans font. Helvetica, Note Sans. Mono. Wait, I want this to be mono. Mono. Font mono. Gonna put this here. Ah, perfect. Good. That's what I want. Now, like when I develop HTML, I mean, yeah, this is just something that you pick up at some point, I guess. You make your diffs have a color. So, see, this already is not something here doesn't make sense to me. What the hell? I'm already confused. Background black. Wait, I need to generate some understanding. Background green. Background green. It's not a color. Green is not a color. Okay. So maybe this is a color. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I put it here. So I see basically what I see the structure of the HTML by putting colorful this. So that I understand. Well, I just understand the relationship between the HTML that I'm writing and the output. Okay, so this is so this flex can be justify center. No, what does this work again? Wait, items center. This is what I need. Item center. No, item center. Justify center. Yeah, this is what I want. But no. Okay, this is what I wanted. Yeah, no. I'm gonna give this thing margin top. Okay. And then I don't need this green thing anymore, right? Oh, wait, there was. Wait. Oh, I think I understand. Text XL, because it didn't have this text XL class anymore. Why not though? My feeling, what just happened to me is that I was out of sync with the CSS classes I have and what I display and so forth. But I'm not entirely sure why this happened. Maybe I forgot to evaluate this buffer. Okay. But yeah, it's something that I would fix by. So if I reload now, everything is still the same. No. Okay. Go into this because I changed. So I outputted new CSS classes because I just reformatted the code, so the line numbers change. Then I need to reload this buffer in order to generate the HTML, and then this fine. So I mean, in other words, if you're confused, you just generate the HTML again, I guess. Either way. Okay, then I mean now things become cool. I guess I can make a component, kind of UI component. Yeah, I'm gonna call this. Maybe a grids card, and I have Clojure to pass function to write code. Okay, and that's gonna be like this, and then I can say shadow, and then background color. Or yeah, yeah, I'm gonna give it some color. I check here what I have available. Background. Oh, wait, it's not how it works. So he has the colors he has in a separate. With green, for example, green. Here. So it works. Emerald. Wow, rose. Oh, I'm exciting. Sky 100. Okay, let's see what this will look like. And then I say that there's roughly 3 cards per. I'm just gonna make the cards big enough so that on mobile they are one below each other, and on desktop they're kind of like roughly 3 here or something like that. So I'm just gonna make them the same size every time. That is, how does this work? Min height. Can I put min height 10? Let's see. Min width 10. I wonder if this works. Then I say hello. And then here, I'm gonna quickly give this a background as well. And yeah, so this is a grid. I need to remind myself of the syntax of these things. And now, of course, I call a Clojure function that outputs hiccup. Yeah. Class is also a Clojure function. Yeah, it's true. It's called CSS. the syntax highlighting saved me. Yeah, grid card. Okay. Does this work? No. There's an error. Wrong number of hours. Yeah. True. Okay. Now, hello. Is this a min height? So this is this purple word. That's how this looks. Yeah, I gotta play around a little bit now. Okay. Oh, wait. Wait. This is not something that works in hiccup, I think. Yeah. Okay. Wait. How do I? So, but sequence. So wait. In hiccup, I think. In hiccup, I make a sequence like this. I think hiccup is now outputting. Yeah, this looks already correct. Yeah. Okay, like this. Yeah. So vectors and sequences have different semantic in hiccup. It's important to know. Good that I reminded myself of that. So now I have a list of multiple of these. Okay. I'm gonna make them red or something. And I think does this work? I wonder, does this work? No. In Tailwind you can, but yeah, of course, I guess this is not a valid keyword, right? Yeah. Okay. There. Yeah, I guess at this point, then you say min height and you pass that, right? Like this or something. Yeah. Okay. This actually goes into the direction that I need. Yeah, I'm just gonna say 250, and then there's a min width. Same. Yeah, and now one sec, I need to. Actually, the Tailwind documentation is kind of cool. Grids. Yeah, and this should actually also just work. If I say grid coils 3. Yeah, okay, so I have 3 columns, and then gap like this. Yeah, this goes into the direction that I need, and then here's a give this thing padding or padding 3. Yeah, okay, like this, and then I have links to YouTube documentaries. Hmm. maybe it can just be a bit bigger. I'm gonna make a commit. Okay, this thing has a shadow, but you don't see the shadow because the background is black. Except now you see a shadow. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make this rounded, and okay, then the inside of this thing. Yeah, that's the beauty of front-end development. You kind of you see what you do, and you make progress on whatever whatever you feel like. Okay, so I'm gonna say here that sm is grid calls 1, and then yes, these breakpoints. Like this. And okay, then I'm just gonna say I'm gonna try what will happen. I think there's a cooler way of doing this with the grid, but this gets the job done for the moment, I think. Okay, this doesn't work. I'm gonna look into this here. So here you say vector media media, and then a nested CSS thing. Okay, responsive breakpoints are provided as aliases. I guess. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I just leave this like that. Yeah. Good. Good. Okay, I make this bigger so that I can also open it. Okay, sorry, what I want. Okay, so now I'm gonna make for each of these, I'm gonna give a title and then title and a link or a YouTube iframe. I'm not sure. No, just a YouTube iframe here, and then here is some text, and that's like different for all of them. That's what I want, because I want some of them to look different, I think. So I'm gonna say here content, and here I'm gonna say a link. I'm not sure. So there's this upper thing, and then the rest is filled with the content. So that's something like this. And so I'm gonna say flex call. Make this dark green. Content, I'm gonna say there's a function that I call. Yeah, and that was for error. For the moment, I'm gonna just for the moment. Oh, error. I guess this actually doesn't work. One sec. Okay, and here I'm gonna try to make an iframe. I have an example of doing this. Okay, I'm gonna try something like this. Iframe. Oh, how does that work? I'm guessing. Yeah, how is this supposed to work? I'm guessing it works like this. Oh, oops. Does this work? Yeah, that kind of works. Yeah. But now it would be cool if I would live. I don't think this still works. No, it works like that. Does it hide with height? Either way, I'm guessing this is redundant. Okay. Yeah, this is good. This is correct. And now there's this. I found this documentary about McCulloch. Yeah, this interview. It's called interview. Yeah, this.
Trying to do as a scientist is a very simple and
Yeah, this. It's the guy sitting there smoking. Wait, this is not how to embed a YouTube video. One sec. Wouldn't it be cool if I can just embed the HTML? How do I do that in create HTML hiccup? There's a way to basically escape it, right? Hmm. Body hi. So if I just, oops, yeah, of course, this would work, right? If I say here some HTML, it can't help but do the right thing, I think. So I'm gonna, yeah, it automatically supports embedding HTML as a string, I think. Yes. See if this works. Not found. What? Achso. Yeah, okay. And now, well, yeah, this. No, accepted. I want a bigger height. Yeah, since the height is this, so. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of, yeah, this is kind of good enough. I'm gonna say here, you give me a YouTube link, and I'm gonna say, I have Clojure. So I'll be formatting this part. This is because in Clojure script you don't have format because actually why not? I'm not entirely sure. I forget why. But yeah, so here I say source. Oops. Uh, yes, I'm gonna just put this here like this. Yeah, then it will be correct, I think. Title. You can also say a title. YouTube video player title. Yeah, I guess. Okay, so YouTube link. Oops. Then this. Something doesn't work. Yeah, here. YouTube link. Yeah, nice. Okay, title. Um, hmm, yeah, McCulloch. I'm just gonna make a title McCulloch. Okay. And I'm also gonna use the title. Oh, I'm not sure if I. Well, let's do this again. I'm sure I do this right. I'm gonna put the title here, yeah, and then I'm gonna put the title here, and here's some text. But this is maybe there's not much space, so it's just some keywords or something. Yes, so here's text. Yeah, some text Excel. I'm gonna do this. Oh, this. Yeah, here I'm gonna put the title. Yeah, just. Yeah, and then here's the content. Um, docs, documentaries, config. Yeah, and then is that a list? No, it's a vector. That would be strange if it. Yeah, it's nothing else. That would look like strange Clojure if that would be a list. No, I make a list here. How does this work again? I forget. Wait, this is a vector. Now I get a list of vectors. This is good. So I could do this, but I think there's a function that does this. I forget. List? No. I know there's vec. Vec is doing that. Vec call. How does it work for list? I forget. But I can also cast this to a seek like this. That would also work. Now it's a seek. Okay, this. Yeah, that's fine. This will work. Funny. So yeah. I need to map. I need to map this function anyway. I was just. It doesn't even matter. Okay, like this. Yeah. So now I have one thing, and yeah, then I could also. Yeah, I could have multiple. I repeat, and yeah, like this. Okay, this would be my page. I'm gonna go to Google. Just sometimes it's very nice. Well, it does have very nice development setup here. Okay. Oh yeah, this is mobile documentaries. Then you scroll like this, and okay, yeah, on tablet looks like this, and then on desktop, on a laptop, you have three things like this, and yeah, on my laptop here right now, it's this. That's what I wanted. McCulloch being, how do you call this? I'm gonna ask Cloud. If somebody is kind of being funny, like a gnome, like a list words for this. I mean, he's kind of like being like sort of like a gnome, like an impish. Yeah, wait, impish is the word I think. Yeah. Pixie. Quirky, wiki, playful, whimsical, bright-eyed, spry. The fuck. Spry. It's called. Able to move quickly, easily, lightly, spry, especially of old person, active, lively. Just learn a new word. Full of energy, spirited, lively, energetic, zippy, frisky, agile, perky, full of vim and vigor. Vim, full of vim. Yeah, two, I guess this is a word. Okay, McCulloch being spry and impish, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, delete this here. McCulloch being spry. McCulloch being spry. Yeah, okay. yeah, now you could, well, maybe I could say sort of keywords or something here, cybernetics. And then maybe I make this I guess I need to say text bold, I guess. No, how does this work? How do I say bold? Font bold. Ah, yeah, font bold. I forget. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, the text is white, but I'm gonna make the text just black. And this thing is white. I'm gonna make the whole thing a little bit more bold. Yeah, and then I get rid of the green stuff. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna give this a border. Getting this wrong again. Border. Ah, border 0, border 2. Border 1 is not a thing. Border 0. Ah, border. I just got rid of that. Wait, that's not what I want. Say border 2, border black. Then I'm gonna say border radius rounded. Oops, where is it? So I know it. Yeah. And then I'm gonna say padding, just tiny amount of padding. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I guess like this. Cybernetics. What else is he talking there? He's basically making a sci-fi. Like he's super sci-fi. I'm gonna give this a thing called sci-fi, and I mean nowadays this is called AI. He's talking about things that are nowadays called AI. Yeah, but I'm gonna make a function called keywords interpose. Yeah, and then I'm gonna say diff. Yeah, and here I'm gonna say font semi-bold, font bold, interpose, comma, words. Also, and map. Oh my god. Like, I don't know. Like the awesomeness of Clojure is just hitting me right now. This is fucking amazing. This, and then I need to use multi-cursor, but I have some growth area. Wait, this should work though. Ah, no, it doesn't. I'm doing this wrong. Yeah, okay. I need to use sort of meow beacon mode things sort of on the fly or something. I have a growth area there. Now, yeah, basically, well, I'm baking in the keywords in this UI here. Yeah, but will I make a multi-method called? I'm not sure. Oh wait, I should whatever, man. Something like this. But yeah, I mean this is. I guess this is like this is just too intense. I don't know. I thought I'm gonna have different kinds of content at some point or whatever. And now content is a list of things, and that says kind. Keywords. So wait, this takes the config. Keywords. Yeah, but I'm guessing this is maybe a little bit over the top. I'm not entirely sure what this kind is. Keywords. Yeah, and then actually I'm gonna say this afterwards. After all, like this. Oh man, this is crazy. And then I undef this because multi-methods need to undef in order to update the this dispatch function. Identity. Yeah, and now here. Oh man, this is crazy. this is just fun crazy. But yeah, now wait, this works. So arity. So yeah, keywords. Yeah, content is now a list of. And this doesn't work. So yeah. What did I do? Oops, I need to. Render content. One sec. Render content. Oh wait. I need. I know how I can do it. For example, I just I make it to arity. So map render content. Doesn't matter. And then here odds, right? Oh. Wrong number of arguments passed to a grid card. What? Oh, map grid card. Yeah, okay, this is good. What? I'm confused. This is one argument. Okay, so what happened was that off screen I have clicked this up. I went with this multi-method here. Now, man, wouldn't it be cool if I have some JavaScript so that you click and then it filters or something? That would be so cool. Then I would need to think about how to render things. Then I wouldn't return HTML here, but I would return like a grid. And then I would comment in the Clojure script. Then I would make a Clojure script file. Yeah, and I could use React. Yeah, that's quite wild. Grid card. I would take this code, put it into Clojure script. Then it doesn't work because of this format. Fuck. I wonder if I can make like something very simple where I only use JavaScript and HTML. Or the scittle here, but I don't render using scittle, but instead of rendering with scittle, I'll if there's a class. And then I guess I can also say data. How does data attribute work in HTML? Ah, yeah. Okay, now things become wild. I'm gonna write string, yeah, and then something like this, right? Yeah. I'm just gonna put the whole ops there. Yeah. Data config. Okay, so I comment this out, comment this back in. You'll see, I think I need to, I don't put this into the output directory automatically. Okay, I'm just gonna modify this file. So yeah, if I reload, nothing happens. That's wrong. Script. There's a script here. Application scittle. Also, scittle is not loaded. 1 sec. I also need to load scittle HTML raw string. I don't know. Why do I put this here and not into the head or whatever? It's a script. That's not sure. Maybe I thought I don't need to load it immediately or something like that. Scittle. What is the latest release? Maybe releases 069 19. Okay. Does this work? So this is script scittle. Okay, and then here Clojure script documentaries. Yeah, like this. Yeah, okay. You don't see it, but yeah, this made this alert. So, okay, I'm gonna put. Well, I literally just want you click on the keyword and then it's gonna select the documentaries with the keyword and then you're gonna click. You have here the button with the current keyword and then you click X and it deletes it. I'm not gonna bother with the search bar. I feel like that's just overkill. That's even though it would be sort of easy to make, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna make a button. Yeah, let's make a button. It's like this is just a keyword button. Yeah, I think it's kind of cute to keep things like very minimal as well. Oops. Okay, okay, it's gonna be here. So I put this, there's documentary. Here somehow. So here I say this is a flex with justify center, so I could say self and then self end and so I'm gonna quickly try like this. I think this should be what I want. This is like this now. Bias. Okay, whatever. I'll do it like this. So I've one. And here I say justify end. So I have one, and they are on this side now, and then this thing is with full so rework. Oh, I still. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And then I want to put this button at the bottom here. Yeah, like this. But this is so big. So I say 16. No, this is too not big enough. One sec. I realize this doesn't matter. What matters is colors. Gray. What color should this button have? White as well, maybe. Ah, it's so big. I didn't think that it would be this big. Something like this. Okay, then yeah, and then I'm gonna give it margin. No, only right. Yeah, this is what I want. Yeah, this is what I want. And then just gonna say the current keywords. But I'm gonna set this with JavaScript, of course. So yeah, this is kind of like this is the hiccup if you put what's this thing called again? Asterix. And this thing's called number sign. Ah, yeah, true. This is an Asterix. Line feed. Line feed. Also. Asterisk. Okay, this is an asterisk. This is an asterisk. This is a number sign. This is an ampersand. Just kind of a geek thing to know the names of these. Either way, the span, and then I say number sign and give it a name. So this is the filter button content, okay? So that I later can set this with JavaScript. Like this. Yeah. So now I should be able to. Let's do some scittle. So here, get element by ID. Oh wait. think this works. Let's see. I could set up the scittle REPL, but I'll leave it now to keep things super simple or something. Like, let's see. Tries to post YouTube log. Sure. That's kind of annoying. Ah, yeah, here it prints that HTML element. This is correct. I think in Google Chrome. In Google Chrome. I see. Okay, no. I thought you can click on them, but only if you log. If you don't cast it to a string, I'm guessing it does that. Like this. Ah, yeah. See, that works like that. So now you could also say. This work. Element inner HTML. Doesn't work. Uncalled, could not find method. I need to. What am I doing? That's so not Clojure script like this. Yeah, okay, foo. And then obviously I'm gonna give this thing a min width. Like 100 pixel. Yeah. Okay, maybe just a bit on there. Okay, and then maybe I'll check how it looks if I have a lot of text. Yeah, max width is also this, and I'm just gonna use this truncate alias here. I think this. No. Overflow hidden ellipses. Do I need to say truncate here? Now I need to try out a little bit. Yeah, like this. Okay. It could be a little bit bigger. Okay. Man, it's purple here. That's right. Actually, actually, if I look at it like this, the placement of this button is strange. I would think it's just next to this documentary thing. So I'm gonna go back. And then there's a little bit of a gap. And yeah, I don't need this. Oh wait, I wanted this. Never mind. And here, rounded. It's very high. Yeah. Okay. Wait, no, it doesn't. I wanted it sort of like at the bottom. Maybe I'm just gonna add more margin here. Yeah, okay, something like that. And then yeah, that's better. Okay, now the button when you click on one of these. Yeah. Okay, and I'm gonna give those a data attribute, I suppose. Yeah, data word, that's it, like this. And now in the scittle code, I will say document get, one sec. Doesn't work. Did I? Man, these YouTube errors, it's like. By the way, I don't know why, but raw string, I guess. I just commented this out. Yeah, I just commented this out. Okay. Yeah. There's just an error. Query selector. What does it say? Error. Could not find instant method. Data word. Ah, that was just what? That was what? Man, one thing you ask of this thing, man. Jesus. No, this still doesn't work. It's a lazy seek. Jesus. It's kind of funny, like that. The most obvious Clojure pitfalls you still run into that. Could not find instance method click. What? Add event listener. Doesn't go like that. Add event listener element. Add event listener type listener. Okay. Event type. Animation. Mouse clicked. How does this work? On click event. Button on click function. Oh, I could also do that. Wait, that's so much. Oh, that's so much better. What the hell? Oh, wait, I can write that. Okay, one sec. Well, the easiest is where I say defen on click. How do I call these things? Word on click keyword. Okay. Yeah, this takes an event. Okay. Now I export it by putting it onto the window. So like that. And here I'm gonna say print. Okay. Yeah. On click. Yeah. I'm gonna do this. This is just realized it. Invalid assignment. That was not. I guess that's not how. That's actually not how Clojure script works. In Skittle, in Squint, you can do that. And this becomes this in JavaScript. But in Skittle, you cannot do that. In Skittle, I need an actual Clojure script, kind of like assignment without supporting this. Okay, this is correct now. Yeah, print something. What is that? Undefined. One sec. Documentaries, Clojure. Can I put a function name? No. Right? No. Okay. Can I put? Is this how to do this? No. I need the event. Can they help me? My function get element by ID in HTML hello world. Ah, funny. Lame, though. Button add event listener. Do I need this after all? Fuck. Script add event listener click. Well, that's the thing that I already. No, it doesn't understand what I want. Oh, of course. The event. Oh. Jesus. What? My function event. Oh, seriously? Is this how it works? There's like a special variable called event. Like, that's really funny. That's not how it works. Oh wait. No, yeah, there we are. Okay, cool. Pointer event. Yeah, no, now we're talking. Okay, this is what I wanted. No, an event like this has a thing called target. So you can say a target dataset word. How does this work? But yeah, I can also. Yeah, when you click this. Yeah, true. When you click this, maybe that's it. No, undefined. Not dataset. Alert, undefined. Why does it think this? Data attribute. Yeah, I forgot this earlier. That I also need to say how I access it. Get and thing dataset. Maybe I can just print out the datasets. String map. Oh wait. I know why. I know why because documentary. I said data word, but I put this. Oh, it's called data config. What the fuck am I talking about? I was just so wrong about this. Data word. Yeah, but it's on the button. Yeah. That is the button. Wait, that is the button. Why did I think that something was a span? I think it said here span. Wait, why is this like that? Actually, I'm confused. Add a button on event, on click event. What does this have to do with the span? Target, pointer event. One sec. What am I doing here? I say on click, that is an event, but the target is not this button, is it? I thought that would be like that. I thought that would be the button passed here, but target is this. Target is the span. Yeah, I didn't know this works like that. The hell? I didn't know when I say on click here that I get this target, this span. Is there something else? You know what I can do? I can pass it here in the HTML. I can just do this. Or this is, I mean, this is not even such a bad thing to do, right? Why not? I wanted to get the data from here. It's kind of double now. Good. I mean, at some point, with front end like this, you just want to make it work. It's kind of. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. You need to. Oh. I mean, this is a way to do it, I guess. Okay, so now I'm gonna keep some state around. Do I have to keep state around? Yeah. Or you just say filter grid, right? Filter grid. Okay, now I'm gonna say yeah, maybe I'm gonna say here grid config. Data grid config, I think. And then I'm gonna say yeah, a query sector all. This didn't work. I can actually play around here. Yeah, it's null. Maybe I didn't save this. Ah, yeah, okay. Now I click this. Ah, it's gone. Nice. Okay, and then I'm gonna say here that's not correct. We need to yes, and then yeah, that's probably correct. What is this thing a flex? Oh wait, this thing was a flex call. It is interesting, kind of coupling between two places in JavaScript code here right now. And this thing is block. Okay. Error. Error. Also. Yeah. Oh. Error is not iSeekable. What is not iSeekable? Object is not iSeekable, but so here. Yeah. What's the config? I think this should be like that. Yeah, this is of course a JavaScript array now. Yeah, this doesn't work. Yeah, I'm gonna make it easier. JS, Clojure. Yeah, get keywords. Maybe that's not how you get from a JavaScript object, I guess. Ah, yeah, this works now. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a second one. This is Konrad Lorenz. Yeah, this. I saw this recently. This was. It's kind of, I think, important stuff to know. At least, yeah. For me, I would want to know about this. That you basically can fool the geese into. Well, it's It's fascinating. They basically dominate the behavior of these. So now you walk with these boots, and they are bound imprinted on one of these boots. For instance, this is just sort of the first idea there. Like either way, I can highly recommend it. It's really fascinating work. Yes, I'm gonna take this embed YouTube link. It's called ethology. This is kind of like there are different schools of behavior science a little bit. So this is really the one that comes from zoology. Like you go and you look at the animals, what they do. Yeah, Darwin. This book is highly cited. Kind of have to read this. Gonna put here behavior. Yeah, it's kind of interesting that the most powerful theory in evolution, in biology, is evolution, and it kind of comes from zoology. It kind of comes from natural, what do you call it? Natural science, kind of like the people, naturalists, like the people that just went into naturalism philosophy. That's something else, I guess. Yeah, the people just went out into the world and looked at the world. I feel like there's something about that. Okay, and then yeah, and now I don't have an overlap. I mean, it's kind of relevant for cybernetics. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, that works. And now I want to display it here as well. Um, and then when I click this button, it just resets it. Hmm. Yes, I'll put this here. I don't need this. Filter. Not sure about this, but it's kind of empty now. Ah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hide it when it's not set. Um, um, yeah, say here display flags, and yeah, I'm gonna say display no, by default, and then this is the button though. Naja, whatever. Get element body button. When you click the button, I hide it. Then I filter the grid. And when you click this, I'm gonna set this. Yeah, whatever. It only needs to work. Ah, doesn't. There's an error, I guess. Cannot read from my style. No, you can put dashes there. Never mind. That's not the problem. Get element by ID. That doesn't work. Keyboard button. Actually, it's happening here. No, here. One-click keyboard there. Almost. No, it hides this and yeah, true. One sec. I need to set them all visible. Second one is okay. Here, filter grid. Ah, doesn't work. Filter grid. Let me comment out this because it's so annoying that it makes an error. Was? Ah, there's some other scittle error. Could not resolve symbol word. That's probably actually true. Oh yeah. Oops. What? What's documentaries? Clojure. Yeah. Yes, finally. Okay. Zoology, behavior, cybernetics. It's it's not what I want. One sec, I'm gonna change this. It's kind of funny, this button. This button make it. Wait, I'm gonna put it inside this div, and then I'm gonna put a lot of margin on the right so that it kind of floats there. Yeah. Okay, that's what I do. Oh, this is already what I need. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more. Left. Yeah, but this thing is supposed to be centered, and this is supposed to float there somewhere. Yeah, that was. You have this yellow thing, then inside the yellow thing you have a thing, and this guy. I'm gonna try a margin. Yeah, no, he's there. Okay, and actually, I just want this. Okay, it's kind of easy if I make him absolute. And then I make some fat. Yeah, this is roughly what I wanted. Yeah, okay, this one is good. Yeah, I just installed a program called cprint that I love. Yeah, I was still. It's a new laptop, so I still was building things. Yeah, so here I'm gonna replace the Lispy alt multiline function with cprint. That has very nice effect. It's like maybe you noticed in this video just before I installed this here right now. Like there was always a delay when I press the capital M, right? But now it's basically instant. At least I think it stops becoming instant for large functions. So what is this? This function is almost 100 lines at the moment, 94 lines long. So I want to times so still instant. So this is quite nice. Yeah, the code is quite obvious. You say shell command on region cprint, kind of very simple kind of thing to do. And I'm guessing that this is the logic that I took from Lispy, probably. Kind of love it. Yeah. Okay, and then what? Oh, something doesn't work. Where are the videos? What the hell? Hi, works. HTML raw string. Didn't it work earlier? Ah. Okay, this is probably YouTube that fails because I'm blocking. Because I'm on localhost, probably. I'm guessing they actually gather some analytics in their iframe, so that's kind of interesting. So I guess they spy on the user when they go into a website where there's a YouTube iframe, just so you know. I think that it works like that. I feel like this could be rounded as well here. Can I just round it here? No. So I also need to say overflow hidden. By the way, like Cider gives me these completion for keywords. That's just something that Cider does. And the reason it's able to do it is because we have loaded this config here. We have loaded this into our JVM. So like I could also evaluate it here. Cider not connected, of course. I could put it into I could put it into a Clojure buffer maybe, or whatever. Like just evaluate this form with Clojure, and now the Clojure runtime has all these keywords loaded. Like the moment the evaluator sees a keyword, it's interning it. So now the completion will query all interned keywords. So that's how this works. So you can get completions for keywords if you know about this. But this is actually really useful for here for this shadow-css because I literally get completions for the tailwind things kind of for free, simply because it's keywords and the completion thing looks up keywords. So it's kind of like some of these cute little things that come up from having Clojure, where Clojure is so simple that certain things simply come for free, kind of because there's only a small amount of concepts or something like that, like and they work well together or something, and then you kind of get these common languages. Like there's only one way to say something like an enum or something like that. There's not multiple ways, but there's only keywords. So it's little things like this as well that make Clojure extremely well. It has an extremely powerful development story because of things like this. Very solid every time in many aspects. So yeah, you need to, if you want to round something like this iframe, you say overflow hidden here so that you get the rounding. But now I have overflow hidden and so no, well, what's up with that? I mean, this just doesn't look good. This iframe, so I give it a height. Okay, I wonder if I can give it width 100%. I wonder if this works. Something doesn't work. Formatter. I need to escape the formatting. Oh Jesus. So this works, but doesn't. Okay, what if I say 250 here as well? So it's square. Yeah, and then I just center it here. Oops. So here, justify center, and yeah, I'm gonna give it here. I think maybe I don't need this. Yeah. I guess there could be a little bit more space there on the side. Yeah, that's maybe here I can say let's work like that. Yeah, I leave it like this. Yeah, leave it like this. Yeah. Okay, so I will comment out this part. That's only for development. And then very important, I developed here in the public directory. That is of course, well, I guess you could do that, but I have it reproduced here, so that works like that. And this part is in Git. Yeah, should be it. Yeah, so this is my Linode instance. So here I have something called publish that basically does the equivalent of SCP, copies public onto the Linode instance, right? That's all I do to deploy. BB build deploy. Let's see if I break everything. Rsync command not found. Okay. Okay, I just installed rsync and ran this command again. Oh, there's already something wrong. No, this is. Okay, let's go to. Let's just visit this, and then I think if I did it right, yeah, here's a button. Okay, that's already wrong. Oh, HTTPS documentaries HTML. That was not a good link. Let's fix this in the second step. Oh, yes, but now the wait. It's the same thing that I just saw locally. What's up with that? Did I, what the? Didn't I just have this nice? What is that? The CSS? That works though. I think that would look different if this doesn't work. Yeah, this would look like that, okay? This correct now. Word, okay. I'm slightly confused. Is there an error? No. That's not what happens when there's an error. This makes sense. Okay, this is post to YouTube error embed error blocked by client. What? Log event. But yeah, I'm debugging the YouTube embed. When I look at this error, this is a bit strange. It's kind of annoying. It's okay, looks correct. Okay, so yeah, you should be able to go to this URL and see this as well, of course, now. And yeah, the JavaScript also works. Yeah, cybernetics. Okay, now I can put documentaries here. I don't know why. I don't know. I guess I accidentally pushed something. I had a wrong version somehow, I guess. Okay, so now there was this link that I needed to fix. Who's fundamental mode? That was documentaries. HTTPS. So this didn't make sense. Can I do this? Invalid link. No, that's not how this works. How do I? Yeah, I guess this should just work. Probably should do sort of the default thing, and the default thing should be correct. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Okay. That's it. That's what I wanted to do. So yeah, I figured out a nice. So I have like I added these two build. Oh, I need to. Oh, Oh, I forget. I forgot that. Build depends on build. Build, yeah, build. Build depends on build CSS. This just randomly worked because I had the watch running still. Where's the watch? Oh wait, I don't have the watch running. I have the watch running in my Clojure REPL here. So I'm gonna delete my Clojure REPL. Okay, and now I'm gonna say bb build. Yeah, I'm just gonna say bb build and see if it works. I'm gonna. This looks wrong already. What the hell? I feel like it should be to here. So I'm gonna delete this file. bb build. Build depends on build CSS. Why is there only one? I feel like this is wrong. This probably needs to be like this. So I can test this as well. Yeah, this file should also be generated. This is the dnode build in Emacs. Yeah, now there's these two as well. Okay, and there's CSS. It's also built. And then there's one other thing. I can minify the CSS. Deploy, build deploy. Then deploy this. And now, man, what the hell? Or is there something to figure out? What third-party cookie will be blocked? Kind of annoying. Yeah, if I look at here, sources. Wait, it's not minified because it was cached, I think. How does this work? Sources, CSS, UI is not minified. Wait. Okay, here it is minified. And now I can also say I go into my Linode. And here there's the public. Okay, this looks minified. Okay, so the thing that is sitting on the Linode server is correct. And I'm guessing that this is cached. How do I delete the cache? Force refresh? No. I forget how I would refresh the thing. How does it look at the? I need to take a break, but I'm also kind of done right now, so I just. What's this thing called? Chrome debugger, hard refresh. Control. But I'm doing that. Okay, wait. I just realized there's another way. Clear site data. Yeah, this was basically the intense way of doing it. Here it would have been disable cache. Naja, you're right. What? Do they unminify it? In this preview here. They unminify it. I see. I'm looking at this and think it's not minified, but if you open it here, you see it's really tiny. It's kind of funny. Cool. It's where does it say that? Yeah, 100 something. Oh, whatever. Yeah, it's kind of at least on my connection. This is very fast. Yeah, 5, 4 and 5, and that's basically it. And then scittle, but you only need that to click the button, so you don't need this for the first load, I guess. Is this how this works? I am not gonna engage with this at the moment, Okay, that's it. Yeah, this is on my blog now. Peace out, see you soon.